Hey, John, do it on the floor. You have to do it on the floor. Good boy. There you go. Go ahead. Okay. Do it on the floor. Do it on the floor.